Okay, sit down. So, good afternoon once again, all the 7th standard children. We are going to continue the story, right? And you can see. So, he is working now, dustman, and he is sad about this. One day, while clearing the trash means dust, waste from a wealthy merchant's home, the merchant's wife witnessed his lonely and downcast appearance. It is said that the women are very careful and they used to care about others' emotion more. Okay, so it is not meaning that the men are not able to understand. Men are also able to understand, but the women used to be more careful little bit, right? So this lady is able to understand that this person is lonely from his appearance, from his behavior. Okay. Sniffing forlornly, the dustman seems a remote figure from his cheerful former self. His light, brisk steps seems to be now steeped in sorrow, sagging with a heavy load. So earlier, this dustman was looking very happy, and now this dustman is looking sad. Earlier, when he was walking with joy and happiness and confidence. Now he is walking like a load is on him and with sorrow. Okay. So, like this, she is able to guess all these things. Approaching him, she asked, "What is the matter with you? Why do you look so sad?" Okay, so the lady is asking that, what happened with you? Why you are looking so sad? Right? And next class, I need something with you. It can be book, it can be Xerox page, but something should be present with you. Okay, boy? Okay, you also. Okay? Okay. Otherwise, you write in diary that today I have to get Xerox of these pages. So, approaching him, she asked, "What is the matter? Why do you look so sad?" See, human beings are made by the God with the feelings and emotions. If you are sad, then other human beings, those who are kind and generous, they will see you and they will guess that yes, this person is today sad. If you are happy, they will see you and they will say, this person is today happy. If you are normal, they will say that this person is today human being. Okay. If you are frightened, they will say you are fearful. If you are feeling boring, they will look you and say he is feeling boring. Okay. You all see that child who is sitting in the corner of the class, you see. He is experiencing the traveling of bus. In the bus, like someone is sitting in the corner to the window seat. So he is looking always out to see that how much distance they have traveled. But here he used to look out to see how much period he has traveled. Okay, he is not traveling the distance, he is traveling the period. Right? Okay. "My lady," said the dustman. So, my lady, my sir, this was said in respect, okay? So, my lady, said the dustman, "it is not appropriate for someone like me to disturb a noble person like you." And he is saying that first of all, I should not disturb you because you are a noble person. Okay. So, you are a 15 plus 20 is 35. 15 plus 35 is equal to how much? 15 plus 35? 40, 50. 40, 50. Yes, 50. Okay, so they have rang the bell now. Okay. So my troubles which can't be shared are my own. And he is saying that my troubles are my troubles and these troubles cannot be shared. I cannot share. You will see some people in your life, children, they are in problem but they will not disclose this problem to anyone. Maybe they will disclose this problem to their family member, but that also they will not disclose in detail also. Okay, they want to feel and experience all the problem to themselves only. They don't want that others should get problem by their problem, others should make fun of their problem, others should react on their problem. Or mostly the parent, you see, they never discuss their problem in that sense to the children, because they don't want that this problem should reach to you now. Now you are very young. She replies that his problems had already become hers too. Please do tell me what grieves you. And the lady is giving reply, his problem is already now her problem. Why? Because she is looking at how he is working today, and some people are there in the world, if they will see anyone is sad, no, they will become sad. They will start questioning, they will start asking. So a noble person is the one who look after his servant also, the one who is working under him also, the one who is helping him also. And today let me teach you, children, the definition of family. Okay, so you go to the Oxford Dictionary and there you search family, Family. So there in the Oxford Dictionary it is written, anyone who is having the blood relationship and the one who is helping us in our home and they are staying with us in our home is called family. Example, brother, sister, mother, father and all the relative. Okay, and gardener and driver and cook and washerman. So if they are helping you in your house, they are staying with you in your house, then Oxford Dictionary says that they are your family. I am not saying. Who is saying? Oxford Dictionary is saying. And you don't say that, no sir, he is my servant. Okay, so family means you and your servant together is called family. Okay, this is not my invention. I have said something new. This is written in the dictionary which you can refer. So this lady is treating him as a family member and she is saying that you say your issue, say your problem. The dustman then informed her about the ill fortune. Ill fortune means bad fortune, a bad day, bad luck that had befallen him and how the Qadi had tricked him. Tricked him means simply you cannot take out the money from someone's pocket. You have to give in return something. For example, if I am buying something, I will give money, he will give me product. Trick means you are doing something false and you are taking money from my pocket by my will. Understood? That is called trick or bluff, which is a bad thing. His own hard-earned money. His voice conveyed the forlorn and piteous state that he found himself in. So he is in the piteous state, okay, and he's thinking about that what happened like this. You know, sometime by listening the voice only, you can judge who is speaking truth. Yes or no? Or you can say, no sir, we are having that type of voice also, no? That we will say and people will believe this is true, but that used to be lie. So children can do anything, but we should not do this. Okay? So I think I have said this example, but again I want to say this example to you all. So when I started teaching, I was new in teaching, and one girl child came of 6th standard. Okay, she was crying, right? I have said this. Do you remember this example? Okay, so she was crying, and she was crying with full tears. I become red completely. Okay, so if any child is crying in the school, that is not good, no. So little bit in my early age of teaching, I was aggressive little bit. So I said, what happened? Why you are crying? She said that, sir, one boy in the class, he has said bad words. So I thought bad word means that word only. What the words can be bad? That words only. So I called the boy without thinking twice. I slapped from both the sides. Right? One slap, two slap, three slap, bad words. You see how badly she is crying? And she was crying like both the lines of river were coming. And very angry. Okay? The girl was a little bit short and a little bit healthy. The boy was getting slapped, and then the boy was looking on me like this, means one facial expression which was telling to me that, sir, I trusted you, but you have also done the mistake. Okay. I thought, why he is looking like this? Like how someone is saying that injustice you have done. Okay. I was thinking you are a good person and you also did the same work. Then I made the child to speak. I said, what you have said, say me, I want to listen. He was crying and said, sir, I said bad word. I said, okay, my boy, what bad word you said? I really want to, literally, I want to listen that word. So he said that, sir, I said to this girl that she is a fat girl. And when I saw the girl, really she was little bit healthy, she was fat. And he said that I said in Hindi, this bad word I said. Then I thought I should slap the girl child. Like this, who complained? Are you understanding? Means why I slapped that boy? Because she was crying badly and I thought something really bad he has said. But I said, okay, go both of them, I said, and that day I decided, never ever I will take any action on the appearance, voice or look. Means anyone is coming and crying and I started slapping, no. I will investigate, I will be calm, I will be polite, I will have patience, then I will do the judgment. This incident happened. One more incident, listen, you can relate this story, okay? So one child, she stood in the class and she said that, sir, he is beating me, and she was smiling. Understood? So she was complaining like this, sir, he is beating me, and smiling. I thought child is enjoying, right? Happy, want to disturb the class. I said, okay, okay, sit down, don't fight, right? And I started teaching. Next day again she is standing and smiling and saying, sir, he is beating me, he is also. Again I am saying, sit down. 3-4 days this happened. One day principal sir called me that, sir, you come in office, parent has come to talk with you only. I came, I was sitting, the same child was there, and father said that daily my daughter, 2-3 boys are beating, okay, in 6th standard, and I am saying that, say to the teacher, okay, who is coming before the prayer, say to him. So what happened? My daughter is complaining daily from last 4 days, and daily sir is saying, okay, okay, sit down. No action is taken. Why? What you all are doing in school? So he said like this. So I said, sir, I understand your emotion. You are a father, okay, and here we are for children only. And I asked that, come here. She came. I taught her that next time how you should complain. I said that next time don't complain with the smiling face. Like, sir, he is beating me. Don't complain. So I said the same thing to the parent, that the child was smiling while complaining. So I took the thing lightly. Then he started scolding the child. Why you are smiling? Huh? You should say seriously, no. Huh? With crying face, no. Like that he started saying. So this example you can relate with yourself. That ever this happened with you children, that you complained to the teacher, but the teacher took your complaint lightly because you were smiling, or because you said the complaint in a low voice, because you simply said, sir, he is beating me, and you ran away. Right? So all these things used to matter a lot. So from that day I made rule number 2, that if any child is smiling or dancing and saying something, I will focus on that thing, I will investigate, and I will find out the real issue. Okay, so all these incidents helped me a lot in teaching. And I think this lady in this story is also doing something to find out what happened with the man. So Kadi had tricked him of his own hard-earned money. His voice conveyed the forlorn and piteous state that he found himself in. From the voice, the pain is coming out. Who else was there? Asked the lady. So lady is asking who the noble person was there, who the Kadi was. No witness, said the dustman. So wiping away a tear, he is saying, no witness was there when we were having this tea. In future, if you deal with money, you have some witness with you. This is the moral of the story, the first moral. Okay. Don't give or take the money by saying that we are same bro. No, don't do these things. Deal with the money with the witness. No one will believe me. I am a poor man from a faraway province, and he the Qadi of Istanbul. So he is from here only, and I am belonging from where? I am belonging from far away provinces. This is not my country also. And here I am doing the work of dustman, and here he is a famous judge, respected judge, a Qadi he is. Okay. So tomorrow you come without book or Xerox page. Okay. And you can imagine now what will happen. I hope you will come with at least Xerox page. I have to continue working hard for my family. So saying, more tears fell off his cheeks. And then he started crying more. So more tears started coming out, falling from the cheeks. Have you seen animation, children? Cartoon? Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
In the animation, what used to happen? The person's mouth is this much, and the cry used to come this much from both the side. Right? So one person is there. They used to work in animation. Okay, means they used to make this type of cartoon. I asked them that you people, what you are doing? Any person is crying this much, like tunnel light is coming from both the side of any cartoon. You know what answer he gave to me? He said that this we are making so that the children will understand that here this cartoon character is very sad and crying more. So we are showing that like the tunnel of tears are coming from both the sides. Children will understand this. You don't ask any doubt here. If drop of tears are coming, 4-5 drops, like sprinkle of water from both the sides, children will understand here less sad, less crying. So here he is more crying and it is falling from his cheek. And then you see the next. What chance does a mere dustman really have against me, against him? I have to continue working hard for my family, so saying more tears fell off his cheeks. Seeing his dismal state, seeing his poor situation, the merchant's wife asked him to come inside. She's saying, okay, okay, come inside, okay. After getting him settled, she said, I'm sorry to hear about it, but I think I have an idea. So she's saying that I'm sorry to hear this, I have an idea. Children, if you also want to be a noble person in your life, then you should respect others' emotion. Example, anyone is coming to you and saying, I'm very sad because yesterday my uncle met with accident. So that time you have to be sad. Yes or no? But anyone is coming and laughing and saying, you know what happened? Yesterday my own uncle, I am very sad also. He met with accident and he is only laughing. So by listening this, what you will do? You will also laugh. But if you laugh there, then this is wrong. You have to be there silent and serious and sad, because finally his uncle met with accident. He is laughing and saying because he is a strong personality. You have to be there sad. Okay? But he is laughing and you started making his uncle's fun only. Right? Yes, I know your uncle is nonsense. Then what will happen? The friendship will not continue more. Okay? So like this, you see, after getting him settled, she said, I'm sorry to hear about it, but I think I have an idea. Listen carefully and you must do exactly I tell you. They all are having some plan, that exactly the same thing you do what we are going to plan. So you stand up and read after informing the dustman.